G'day guys, Matt here from F.S.A Sessions Australia. So what we're going to go through today is just run through a strut removal on the Np300. So what I'm doing here, I just need to undo the nut that's holding the upper control arm. I literally back that off just a bit, just all the way down to it's just on with the threads. Then what I'll do is grab a big solid hammer and give it a good tap, and you'll see it just break away. See how I've left it on just a little bit there. Give it a couple of good solid taps and you'll see it break away. Perfect. So just back that nut off. Now I've got that nut off, just going to separate the two. My upper control arm's a little bit solid, so I gave a bit of a tap just to get her up. The other thing to be careful to watch on these is you see how tight the brake line is and the ABS line. I always like to try and hold it all together. I took the ABS line off just because if you do anything to that line, your day is going to be absolute nightmare. Plus, they're not cheap to replace. I've been told it's around $600. So, crack the little 12mm off the back of that, and that'll give you just a bit more play in that wire. So if anything does go wrong, at least you've got a bit of movement in it. So while it looks like that brake line's tight, it's actually got a fair bit of play in it. So I was happy just to leave it like that. It was enough for what we were quickly going to do. Now I'm just going to crack the 3 nuts up on top, undo all those. Undoing the lower bolt. Just had Caleb there holding the spanner. I just grabbed the rattle gun and just rattled her off. Not much to it. And then your strut's free. As you see, my strut was being a little temperamental. Just had to put a screwdriver in under it and just lever it out. But after that, just pops straight out, as you can see there. Hope that helps you out. Any questions, hit me up below.